Welcome back to AZ Kids Play. This is a toy tractor. Can you say tractor? Tractor. Tractors are hard-working motor vehicles or machines which are usually used to work on farms. One person drives and operates the tractor.
With the use of different attachments, they can pick up and dump dirt and rocks like this one. Tractors can rake and bale hay, and even pull heavy objects.
This tractor is the color green. This tractor is the color red. What color is Alex's tractor?
Green.
Yeah, that's right. Alex's tractor is the color green. Tractors move on 4 wheels. The 2 wheels on the front are smaller, while the 2 wheels on the back are larger.
Let's watch some more tractors in action. What do you think this tractor is doing? Do you think you could help us spell the word tractor? T-R-A-C-T-O-R. Tractor. Tractor. Awesome job, everybody. Can you think of any other words that begin with the letters T and R? I'll give you a hint. There are also things that move. That's right. This is a train. Chugga chugga choo choo. And these are trucks. Trucks also begin with the letter T-R. Trucks. Well, that's it for today. But if you'd like to learn more about trains, trucks, or other fun things, be sure to check out our other videos. Thank you so much for learning about tractors with us today. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to AZ Kids Play.